electrostatic potential due to a positive charge at a point will be equal to the work done on unit positive test charge to carry from infinity to that point against the electrostatic force without acceleration. Electric potential at a point due to a positive charge will be equal to the work done on the unit positive charge to carry from infinity to that point against the electrostatic force due to electric field. Suppose that, suppose that here is a charge Q and suppose that here is a point B and the distance. Suppose that it is a positive charge plus Q and it is a point B, and what is the position of the point B? That is equal to RB. And suppose that there is a point P, here is a point B, here is a point Q. This is displacement is dl, and the positive test charge is taken from infinity to this point. So it is positive test charge is taken from infinity to, suppose that the positive charge is at any point, suppose that P, and it is taken from infinity. Suppose that this is a positive charge and this is the point, this is the point B, and we have to carry on unit positive charge from infinity to point B. Suppose that at a moment the test charge is at point P, whose distance is what? Whose distance is equal to what? So what is the electric field at this point? Electric field is equal to E. And what is the force? Q into E naught. So external force is what? F is equal to minus Q into E naught. External force is applied so that it is not accelerated and it is taken. Now we will go on. What is the small work done to carry the positive test charge Q naught from P to Q? dW is equal to F dot dl, that is minus Q naught into E dot dl, that is minus Q naught E dl cos x 80 degree. dW is equal to minus Q naught E minus dl, that is Q naught E into dl. Direction of electric field, direction of the electric field is opposite to the displacement vector, so theta is equal to 180 degree. Now, so 100 is, now dl is displaced, now dl is displaced by minus dr, because in the direction of dr r decreases, dw is equal to Q naught into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q by r square, and it is what? Minus dr. That is dw is equal to Q naught into 1 by Q naught into 1 by Q naught into 1 by Q naught into E, and what? Minus dr. So dw, so what is the total work done? That is dw minus Q naught into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square into dr. It can be written as, dw minus Q naught into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q into r minus 2 into dr. Now what is the total work done? The test charge is carried from infinity to that point. So what is the total work? Total work done integration dw ln to b is equal to minus q naught into q by 4 pi epsilon naught ln to infinity to what? Infinity to rb into dr. R minus 2 into dr. R minus 1 infinity to rb. That is w b by q naught is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r infinity to rb. Infinity to rb. At the point B, potential at the point B, that is VB is equal to W B by epsilon naught Q naught is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by RB minus 1 by infinity 4 pi epsilon naught Q by RB Q into 1 by RB minus 0. RB is equal to Q by RB. If there is a general point, at any point, what is the expression of the potential? It is clear that when the distance is increasing, potential will decrease, and at infinite distance, potential will be equal to 0. Potential will be equal to 0. Potential will be at a general point. Potential at a general point, potential V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. If R is equal to infinity, V is equal to 0. So at infinite distance, potential will be equal to 0.